corredor on our way to Puerto Montt and Puerto Varas. And Titi bought a, what'd you buy?
Empanada de manzana.
¿Y qué más? Y un waffle.
Y un waffle.
Waffle. Oh, es waffle.
Ajá.
Pucha, dije waffle.
Es como un pie en una empanada. Me gusta.
Hello vlog, we are in Llanquihue. And we're in this super awesome place called Casa Werner. And it's totally gorgeous. This is just the back of the door. And it's this old like European style house, and it's full of different rooms. This is where we're spending Christmas. And we're gonna have a beautiful dinner tonight and just explore and hang out, and it's wonderful. I'll give you a little tour of the room. So they extended this part of the house and then kept everything kind of open so you can see into the upstairs. I'll take you more that way soon, but it's really cool looking. And then if you look over here, you can actually kind of see the chef cooking when they're over there, which is awesome. And this is our room. Number 13, a little scary. This is the cute key that you use to get in. And there's another door. And you open it and it's full of light, and that's the view when you come in the apartment or in the hotel room. So this is an overall view. There's Titi on the bed doing his work. There's a little desk in the corner. They have a TV. It comes with this super cute little detail of the water with stuff in it, mint and orange. And then look, one of my favorite parts about this room in particular, each of the rooms have really cool wallpapers, and this one I love. It has a little wardrobe, which is perfect. The sink is outside. The bathroom is just darling. And it has an open shower plan. And you can see outside a little. That's all for our little room tour. I'll take you on a house tour. So now I'm in the outside part, and there's so much out here. There are all these little hot tubs that if it wasn't Christmas Eve you could reserve, and it costs like $20 I think for the session, but they're super cute and they're the traditional little wooden ones. And then there's this gorgeous outdoor lake area that's kind of connected to the big lake, but this one's smaller, and this has just full of birds, full of different cormorants, different like seagulls. There's also supposed to be this royal duck here that's like 3 feet tall. That's supposed to be really crazy when you see it, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and you can just hear all the birds already behind me. Good morning vlog, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
last night we had a beautiful dinner here at the hotel, and then we opened presents with Titi's family, and I didn't film anything because we were just spending time together. But today we are going to go to breakfast now, and then we're gonna hopefully explore some of the town Llanquihue, and then we're headed back to Llanquihue. So, see you later.
Ya te compré una.
Bueno, gracias. Qué buena tita. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
¿Quieres una?
Hola Titi. ¿Dónde estamos? Where we at, Titi?
We are in the Llanquihue Lake. On a boat ride. Seeing the around. And
Seeing the around.
And the tour guide is now talking. It's kind of awkward.
Not really a tour. Just a little boat ride.
Yeah. But
And
they
there's a
sell
boat.
it as tours.
Yeah. ¿Cómo se llaman los volcanes?
¿Cuál es el nombre de los volcanes? ¿El nombre de los volcanes?
El más nevado son los hornos.
¿El más
Eso
nevado
se
de
llama
Puerto?
Sorno.
Al lado acá, el Calbuco.
That one's called Calbuco.
Mirándolo de punta más izquierda, está el puntiagudo, que se ve de la... Si quieren comer buena pizza, aunque mi amigo Cosimo ahí, que la pizzería, él es italiano.
Hello vlog. We are in Llanquihue. Llanquihue. We are hello vlog. We are in Llanquihue.